Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon my friend. Welcome back to another video for Chef Sheikh. Today recipe, we're making a recipe for Haandi chicken. Okay, it will be a different recipe, and that Haandi chicken we're gonna make it in an oven. So it will be very nice and delicious. And please feedback in comments what you think about this recipe, and try to make it as well. It's very easy and delicious. Shall we start? Before we start, I will tell you my ingredient, what I'm gonna use, and if you miss anything, you can follow the recipe end of this video. Okay, and another thing, I hope you guys staying safe as well. Shall we start? I have some chicken. These are chicken thigh and leg pieces, which I'm gonna use. I got some fat here. Okay, I got some tomatoes. I got one lemon, and I've got here coriander. I got some parsley, got some green chili, and I got some onion. It's about 4 big onion, a bowl of garlic. I got sea salt. I got some cinnamon stick, black cardamom and clove, and I got black pepper here. So shall we start now? Okay friend, so what's happened, I'm gonna put some fat in there. Because it's gonna cook in the fat. Okay, now I'm gonna put the chicken in there. I will make a nicely layer for the chicken. Okay, now I'm gonna just put this salt in there. And let's put some cloves, some black pepper, and some coriander, and parsley. I'm gonna put some chili in there. Okay, and I'll put onion. Okay guys, then now I'm gonna put some fat again. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some tomatoes in there. This is a quick, you don't have to put lots of stuff in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna make another layer now. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put whole garlic in there. I'm gonna put salt. It's a 2 teaspoon salt there. Now I'm gonna put cinnamon stick. It's about 4 black cardamom. And some clove. I'm gonna put black pepper. About 1.5 spoon on top here. Okay. I put some coriander. Put a little bit parsley on top. I'm gonna green chili. It depends on you how spicy you want. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some tomatoes. Okay, and I'm gonna put some lemon in there. Put some onion, guys. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put layer of fat again. Okay guys, alright guys, now I'm gonna put a little bit of water on there. I put about 200 ml water. Okay, and just garnish this on top. Some black pepper on there. Okay guys, close this. So make a seal up. To make a seal, I'm gonna put some dough around it. Different as for make a seal up, so I'm gonna put this dough around. So I'm putting dough sieve around the lid. It's depend. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, I got all this. Yeah. So now I'm gonna seal up this. And then I will move all excess dough. And now it's ready to go in an oven. Alright guys, this pan is ready to go in there in oven. So I'm going to put this in oven. And I will leave this for 180 degree, and probably it's gonna take about 1 hour. So come back to 1 hour. Okay, friend. Our dishes should be ready. Okay, friend. I have to take this out because this is, the flour dough is all gone hard, so I have to cut it. Okay guys, so our chicken is ready. It's very juicy, you can see, and I'm gonna take it out in a dish and I will show you. Okay guys, this my dish is ready. It's a Haandi chicken. It looks very beautiful and it's very delicious, and believe me, smell is coming very nice out of it. What do you think about it? Please let me know in a comment section, and you should try it as well. And you can eat this with the naan, you can eat with the roti, chapati, and you can eat with the bread as well. Please let me know what you think about it. Okay, so friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.